Alright, so pretty much there she is. Put our seatbelt on. You just feel the power in this thing. You can definitely hear the car winding. The supercharger is active, and wow, this is outstanding. This is an amazing vehicle. It's got the navigation, it's got the radio, Bluetooth, some climate settings. Driver air-conditioned seats. Wow. This thing is just driving it slow makes you feel like you're going fast. I mean, I just feel the power just feeling the steering wheel. It's insane. I mean, just feeling just the engine run is just, you know that this vehicle has a whole bunch of power in it. Wow. We're gonna drive it in manual. Get it in first gear now. Oh, the SRT mode. Wow, look at that. You got race options. Wow, launch control, shift light. Wow, you can actually select the revs that you wanted to sit at for your launch control, which is insane. That's for pretty much racing. Different modes: track, sport, custom. So when you put it in track mode, as you see there, it's in track mode. We're just gonna leave it in sport mode. We're gonna go to the performance page here. It's gonna load everything up for the performance page. It's loading. This is the software that the SRT Hellcat runs. It's giving me a warning. It's real windy outside, but it's okay. Here you have pretty much everything: your timers, your G-force. Now that we're in manual mode, we get to decide when we get to shift it, so we can rev her a little high. Once we get some open space here, we'll be able to do that. just gonna try to make our way towards the freeway so we can actually just open it up a little bit for the video, and then we'll just head back, and that'll be a little city drive around in a Hellcat along with a little highway get on. Gonna get on it a little bit. Keep in mind we are not trying to go to jail. Got the boys over there. I don't know if you see them or not, but they're chilling. So the police are out. It's the beginning of the month. I don't know if you guys know, but it's always the beginning and the end of the month where the police like to do their citations to meet their quotas. So it is the beginning of May, so we're just gonna take it a little easy, not gonna go too crazy, and downshift back to second here, slowing down back to first. Wow, this is awesome. I don't know why that keeps playing, but that is hilarious.
You like that? That feel good? That feel good?
It's Family Guy for you.
Where's the money, man? Where's
There we
the
go.
money?
There's another cop. That's 2 in a row. Wow. So since the police officer wanted to follow us onto the freeway, we are probably not going to get on it. Let's try to get off the freeway and see if he follows us now. So much power. This thing is just fun to drive, literally. That's what it is. Listen to this thing roar. Okay, this is only a 35-mile-an-hour zone, so gotta keep it cool over here. That downshift. Let's bring it back down to third. Wow. Wow. Dang, the cops are everywhere today. Almost back to my car dealership, which we are going to park this bad boy back and we pretty much got to get it a little bit. I mean, there's so much other options. You see, we have the dyno, the performance page, we have an engine page for the pounds of torque, the feet, g-force. We have our gauges, our oil temperature, along with like a whole bunch of other gauges, oil pressure, coolant. This is absolutely probably the nicest car and the fastest car that I ever drove. It's fully loaded, man. Transmission temperature, boost pressure, air fuel ratio. I mean, everything you can even think about this car has, from timers to everything. It'll time your 0 to 60. Damn. Alright, well, we made it back. And that's that, ladies and gentlemen. That's the Hellcat, baby. We talking SRT Hellcat. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you've enjoyed this video. You like it, you like driving around town in the Hellcat with me, learning a little bit about the car. Hit that follow button or subscribe. You know, we're on YouTube now. All right, well, look at that. There it is. Let's show you guys what the car looks like from the outside now, which is insane. Like, look at this thing. I can't even, the headlights alone, if you bring yourself, wow, that is insane. That is what we were driving, everybody. Look at that vehicle.